are very much essential in providing security to our children. Truly, we are so grateful to MWIR in responding our call of assistance via solicitation. Thank you very much. I'd also to announce to all of you that MWIR is also benevolently supporting our Adopt a School program by donating to us a computer set and school supplies to every learner.
Hipukawan Elementary School is indeed full of talents. Our grade 4 pupil, Prince Johnny V. Bunghanoy, is not an exemption.